I'm Mike, I live in Gibsonia, and we recently had Pittsburgh Best Remodeling redo our master bath and our kids' bathroom. In the past, we've had issues finding a contractor that will do what they say, be on time, and finish the project within budget. In the past, we've worked with Pittsburgh Best before, and they've shown us that they can complete the job on time, within budget, and provide us confidence that they'll complete the job with quality work. Missy was very open with her communication. She reached out to us if we had any questions, put us at ease with any of our concerns, and did a great job in projecting what the project would look like before it was completed. Dylan was on time every single day. He was answering our questions, let us know if there were any slip-ups, was open and transparent. And Tobey as well was a great project manager and was timely on his communication, and looking around, they both did quality work. I just like the personality and the communication with the company. They make you feel like you're important, you're always at the top of their priority list, and they want to finish the job in the way that you've envisioned it. Pittsburgh Best is easy to work with. They do quality work, and they're on time, on budget, and they are extremely transparent and easy to work with. Favorite feature of the remodel was this vanity, custom vanity that they built for us. Just the color, the countertop, it pulls everything together within this bathroom. Thank you, Pittsburgh Best, for completing the remodel. It exceeded all of our expectations, and we'll definitely reach out to you again for our next project.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.